Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I bought with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today, let's talk about router bits, specifically my router bit collection. So in my tool review over my table saw, I talked there about my router table and router lift. I still need to do reviews on these two other routers. So I'm not going to go over my lift today, but I do want to talk about the Yonico 70-piece router bit set that I bought that is serving me very well. So I have three routers. One is your powerhouse, 2 horsepower, 1/2 inch shake, plunge base, fixed base that I use in my router table and use to hog out deep dados. This also takes a 1/4 inch collet or a 1/2 inch collet. I chose to go with the 1/4 inch collet on this set so I could use any bit in any router. And I don't really have an issue with the limited use I put my routers through of, I really should use a 1/2 inch collet here. I'm not pushing my routers or bits that hard. Why did I choose this set? That's kind of an off-brand. It is made in China. It's not your premium bits like your Freud, your CMT, etc. So why did I choose this? Mainly price. You get 70 bits for $130 versus a good Freud straight bit can be anywhere from $20 to $30 upwards to $50. So you could easily build this same set out of premium blades for $300 to $500. I haven't priced that out. Somebody out there is going to do the math. Leave your math in the comments. We thank you for your time. So that's the big point right there. The other reason I got it was mainly I'm not sure the bits or router bits that I'm going to use. And you know, we've all done this. We've bought a bit, bought a tool thinking it's going to be the end all be all of our life, use it once, realize, this really doesn't do what I thought it would, and are disappointed, right? Do you really want to do that with, 30 bucks a bit? When I bought this, I was matching some really custom cabinet doors for a Murphy bed I was building for a customer. And it was one of these things, I'm not sure the exact bits I need, but I know I don't have enough, and I know I don't have the bits that I'm going to need. So I bought this set knowing that it's going to give me such a huge variety that if it doesn't have what I need to recreate it, at least I'll know then specifically what I need. And the way it worked was like this. I tried using a couple of different bits, tested them out, see how they did, didn't match. Then I was able to find a combination that matched what I needed perfectly. You can't do that making 15 trips to the store and spending $150 on 3 router bits, or 4 or 5 router bits. So that's why I bought this. Are they as good as those premium bits? No. Are they sufficient quality for a hobbyist, for light use, intermittent use? Absolutely. I think these are a great buy if you're just getting into woodworking. If you're a hobbyist, even a professional like myself, I think a set like this can serve you exceedingly well. My strategy with this set is as I wear out a bit in this system, at that point, then I will spend the premium amount of money to upgrade it to the best on the market. Because now I know, hey, this is a bit I'm going to use all the time, every day. A 3/4 inch up spiral bit, a 1/2 inch up spiral bit, 1/4 inch up spiral bit. Those are the obvious bits that I'm going to use a lot making dados with my router. However, let's see. This little beading bit right here. I might use this once or twice in the course of a year, maybe once or twice in my entire career. Why would I go and spend $15, $30 on this bit that's not going to see that much use? And that's the point of a set like this, is you get the value of all the bits that you probably will ever need, and then you can see what you use and then upgrade accordingly. Be sure to check the link in the description below. I get a small kickback when you buy things off of Amazon. It helps me make more videos. And we are almost done with this YouTube video. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so be sure to like, subscribe, share this video. It's a great all-around gift for pretty much any woodworker. You can always upgrade the ones you want later on. so far, I'm very pleased with the quality and how they cut.
I want to do it.
They cut very well,
Daddy.
especially given the price.
Daddy, I want to
All right.
do it.
Tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
So,
Say thank you for watching Daily Woodworks
you see what's in the Woodworks in a Nerf battle.
in a Nerf battle.